Good morning friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Rakesh Kushwaha Tech Video. In this video I am going to tell you how to reset Firepower password. You can reset your FTD password with FXOS, but when you also forget your FXOS password, then how to recover it? So to recover FXOS password, one thing you have to keep in your mind, your configuration will be lost. Friends, if you are not able to access FXOS device, FXOS management device, then you have to do factory reset of Firepower device. In order to factory reset, device configuration will be lost. I am again repeating here, device configuration will be lost. Management interface configuration, routing configuration will be lost completely. So before reset, just you have to back up your configuration from FMC device, or you have to make it note here, or you can take a screenshot. So before reset, just keep in mind your device configuration will be lost. Before reset, you have to take backup. Here you can see I am trying to log in device, but no luck. I have tried multiple time, but I forget my password. So to reset password, you have to reboot your device, do hardware reboot. You have to do hardware reboot. Now updated device is rebooting. You have to press Ctrl C to interrupt reboot here. Just press Ctrl C. And you can see here the syntax, boot syntax. You have to copy and make it note on notepad to use it further. You have to copy kickstart and system boot file syntax in notepad. It will use in further. After interrupt boot sequence, you will get Roman mode. So here you have to boot with kickstart image. Just copy kickstart path, then just copy and paste here and click enter. Now it will be boot with kickstart image. Now it's booting here. Now in the switch boot mode, you have to just go to config mode, config T, config terminal. Just click, type here and go to config mode. Just type here admin password, admin dash password and erase. After erase, just press enter, and here it's asking do you want to continue. Just type yes. Now just exit here. Now here you have to boot with system image. Just go to notepad and copy the path of the system image. Just copy here, just copy and just type here boot and paste here. Just click enter. Oh, sorry, it's not boot. Just it will start with load and boot path. Just paste here. Now it will work. Load boot path. You have to boot with your system image. Earlier you have booted with kickstart image in Roman mode. So here you have to boot with system image. Now it's a start booting with system image. It will take few minutes to boot here. Just wait. Let it boot complete. Please don't skip any step. Just let it complete here. Type here yes to set up a new security appliance. Just type yes here. Yes, just press enter. Now it's asking to enforce new password. It's upon on you. I'm just selecting no. Then it's asking for password for admin. Just type admin password here. Then confirm it. Type confirm password. Now it's asking for host name, system name. Just you have to put here system name. Now friends, password has been resetted. So you have to set up your firepower with initial steps. Just set up it with your IP address and password here. Management IP address, password, etc. Just type here your management IP address of the device, FXOS IP address, subnet mask, then gateway, and it's asking for a block of SSH for HTTPS block, IP address of pool of IP address, DNS address, multiple things, and then it's asking for domain name as per you want to give domain name or not. So now here it will show your configuration which you have configured earlier, management IP address, passwords, and SSH block, HTTPS, DNS server, etc. Finally, it will ask to confirm. Just you have to type yes to confirm it here. Just type here yes to configure, save the configuration and apply. Yes, your configuration is applying here. Now you will able to access your Firefly device with new password. Thanks. Now friends, in this video you have learned that how to reset FXOS and FTD password. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.